Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about LCM, that is lowest common multiple, and how to find the LCM. First is division method. In this method we divide all the numbers with the prime numbers until all the remainders are 1. Take some example like find the LCM of 16 and 12. We divide this with prime number 2, it is 8, it is 6, then with 2. So here the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 4 into 3, that is 48. Next is prime factor method. In this method the LCM will be product of each type of base with maximum power. So this is the example. Find the LCM of 24, 12 and 40. 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. And 40 is 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. We can write this like 2 to the power 3, as this is 3, 2 here, the power is 1, 1, 1. So 2 to the power 3 into 3. We can write this 2 to the power 2 into 3 and this 2 to the power 3 into 5. So the LCM will be product of each type of base. There are basically 1, 2, 3 type of base, 2, 5 and 3. 2, 5 and 3. Base with maximum power. Maximum power of 2 is 3. Maximum power of 5 is 1. And 3 is 1. So we get here it is 120. Next, how can you calculate the LCM when the number are with different base? So the LCM will be product of each type of base with maximum power. See here the numbers are of different base. Here is 5 base, 2, 3 and 2. So product of each type of base. So LCM will be product of each type of base. There are 3 type of base, 2, 3 and 5 with maximum power. The power of 5 is here 1 and 3 is 1, but 2, the maximum power of 2 here is 2. So the LCM will be 60. When the number are of same base, so the LCM will be base with maximum power. See, the LCM will be base is 7, it is same here, but the maximum power is 59. We all know 59 is greater than this number, so this is the LCM. See here, the base is same, but the power is of minus sign, okay? So the LCM will be base with maximum power, base is same, so 7. Maximum power here it is 13. Why? Because we know minus 13 is bigger than 57 or other number. So what will be the LCM of fraction? LCM will be LCM of numerator and HCF of denominator. When you have to find out the HCF of fraction, then that will be HCF of numerator and LCM of denominator. Always remember, what you have to find out, it will be in the numerator and the other will be in denominator. So when you have to find LCM will be in numerator, HCF will be in denominator. So find the LCM of 15 by 7 and 3 by 1. So in the numerator it is 15 and 3. So the LCM will be LCM of numerator 15 and 3. You know 15 means 5 into 3 and it is 3. So 5 into 3 will be the numerator. Denominator will be HCF of 1 and 7. It will be 1. So LCM will be 15. See here, find the LCM of 2 by 7 and 3 by 14. So LCM will be LCM of numerator 2 and 3. LCM will be 2 into 3 and the HCF of 7 and 14. So HCF of 7 and 14 will be 7. So LCM will be 6 by 7.